Good evening, folks. Tri-County Weather Service Chief Forecaster James Follett here for a quick sneak peek at what we can expect at the 6 o'clock update. We are tracking our first tropical disturbance of the season, a tropical system just off the coast of Florida, really developing right now, organizing very well. Thunderstorms are increasing in magnitude and in intensity. We're also tracking a very large cold front just off the coast of Texas as well. So we'll be watching these two systems as this will determine where the system will go and if it may impact us as we get into the later part of next week. Otherwise, it looks like it will head out to sea. But as you can see here in the water vapor, lots of thunderstorms just now brewing. This is the latest update, the latest on the satellite imagery from NASA on the GOES 16 satellite imagery. Take a look at this as well. This shows the cloud touch, very high cloud touch as we can see here. We'll play it now in motion. And you can see here how it just bubbles right up. And once you see those dark reds and bright pink purple colors, that's the most intense thunderstorms right there. And this is where the center is. The center is just right around here, actually. So that's what we'll have to watch for, because this is heading north and northeast, and it's going to interact with land. But if you are in parts of Florida and Georgia and North Carolina and South Carolina, you are going to see some torrential downpours over the next couple of days. And also some right currents and some gusty winds as well. And we'll have to see how this plays out in our forecast. As we take a look at the futurecast now, as we go over the next 48 hours, this is how it looks. System goes offshore, and then you can see it just stays out to sea pretty much once we get into Saturday. But it looks like it kind of just vaporizes and heads off to sea even further. And then another system like cold front comes through as we get into Sunday morning. For our area, we have rain coming in for tonight into tomorrow morning. Here's how that plans out. Rain looks to start late this evening, around 6 or 7 o'clock. And then the heaviest rain arrives closer to midnight. And that will continue into the early morning hours. And then we'll see rain begin to taper off to just drizzle and light showers as we get into early tomorrow morning. And the rain should be done with here as we get into tomorrow late afternoon or early evening hours. That will set us up for a gorgeous Sunday and really beautiful weather right into the middle of next week. So a long stretch of dry weather and some very mild temperatures as well. Let's take a look at the rain tracker on our radar, the high definition radar of course. And we can see that the heaviest rain is still just off Maine and much of the northeast states. That is a fast-moving system. This will eventually slow down, though, as it gets blocked by high pressure just off the mid-Atlantic. And this is going to bring us a good fair bit of rain as we get into tonight into tomorrow. We're looking at a good 10 to 20 millimeters, possibly even a little more than that in some local areas. When you see those little yellows and oranges, that's where the heaviest rain is. As you can see by the legend here, some heavy rain and potentially even some thunderstorms. I would not be surprised if some of us see some thunderstorms heading into late tonight and tomorrow. Of course, I'll have more of this and the latest on the tropical disturbance down in Florida later on tonight at 6 o'clock. Have a great evening.